In this video, I'll show you how to change your currency in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to go to the bottom beside your profile and click on the cog for settings. Now, once you are on the settings page, the first step is to head over to the left-hand side again. And from here, you want to simply click on selling. Now that will take you to the selling page, and what you want to do is simply scroll until you see payments. Now click on payments. Now onto the payment section, you want to scroll down, and at the very bottom you will see the option for store currency. What you want to do to change the currency is just simply click on store currency, and that will take you to the currency page wherein you can start changing it. To change it, simply head over to the right hand side and click on the drop down. And in here, you can start adding your desired currency. Let's say instead of a Philippine peso, we want to add a US dollar. And once you do that, simply head over to the top and right hand side and click on save. Now, this will automatically reflect within your website. And if we head over to our website by simply heading over to the left hand side, clicking on website, and from here, let's go to the top and right corner and click on preview. If we go to our shop, you will automatically see that it has reflected from a Philippine peso to a dollar. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.